What's up guys? In today's video we're gonna wrap the trunk, okay? I'm gonna show you how to wrap a trunk. Let's do it. Okay, let's start by placing the knifeless tape. I always like to put it right at the body line of the trunk, like I'm doing here. Follow the body line of the trunk to hide the seam on the trunk, okay? So that's good, and let me show you how it looks like this on the body line. Looks great. Leave extra at the ends. Now, second step is to cut the vinyl in two, because I'm gonna use one piece to place on the back of the trunk, and the other piece is gonna go on top of the trunk. And then next, remove the emblem, the badge, from the trunk. It's better. You don't have to remove it, but if you want to be easier, remove the emblem. Now the next step, remove the backing tape from the wrap and place it on the back part of the trunk, and start from the center of the trunk, okay? And then lift the material, stretch it, use the heat gun, start with one side first, and then lift the material, use the heat gun, and stretch it, and remove the wrinkles. Make sure there is no wrinkles. Also use your glove to remove the wrinkles and your squeegee. Here I'm removing the air from this area. Now cut the material and start cutting the knifeless tape. Pull the string, do it evenly, and cut the vinyl. And after that, remove the excess vinyl with the two strings from the knifeless tape, okay? And then lock the edge. And the next step is to place a new string of knifeless tape right on the edge of the vinyl, like I'm doing in here. Now I always like to put a masking tape in here, because like that it's easier to lift the vinyl from the windshield, okay? Then remove the backing paper from the wrap, and then start from the center to the sides, and with the squeegee get rid of the wrinkles and air. Make sure there's no wrinkles. Lift the vinyl, stretch it, and in here I just cutted the excess vinyl. Use the heat gun, and make sure you're using the heat gun to remove any wrinkles on the wrap to make it softer, like I'm doing here. And then after that, use the heat gun to soften the edges of the vinyl. Then stretch the vinyl and use the squeegee to remove the air, and then cut the knifeless tape like I'm doing here, and remove the excess vinyl and lock the material on the seam. And the last step is to cut the edges, okay? Like I'm doing here. Leave a little bit extra to tuck on the back under the trunk. I'm doing here. Use the heat gun to soften the edges and remove any wrinkle on the edge of the wrap. I'm doing here. So use the heat gun, the squeegee, and the knife. In here I'm gonna cut right at the edge of the windshield, but if you have a white car, leave a little bit extra so you can tuck it under and you can hide the paint from the car, like this. And here's how it looks. Look at the edges and corner. It looks amazing. Look at on the bottom. I have extra material to tuck under the trunk, like I'm doing here. Look at that. I have to use a little bit of post heat, but look at this. It looks amazing. Okay guys, that's how to wrap the trunk. Okay, I did the trunk in two pieces. In my opinion, that will last longer, but it will have a seam on the trunk, okay? But if you want to do it in one piece, it's up to you. You can do it, and it's possible, okay? In my opinion, this will last longer, okay? But let me know what you guys think on the comments, okay? These videos are gonna be added for the training. If you already subscribed for my training course, these videos are gonna be free for the on the course. But if you're not subscribed, subscribe. The link is gonna be on the description of the video down below. So products, material, links, tools, everything is gonna be on the description of the video down below. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and hit the notification bell. Okay, we're almost done for the Supra. Okay, so hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos. Okay, see you on the next video.